Dear viewers, in this video we see the another step of pectin degradation, that is hydrolytic cleavage. The most important step of pectin degradation is hydrolytic cleavage of alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkages that exist in the backbone of the pectin substrates. Polymethyl galacturonase and polygalacturonase act on alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkages on highly esterified pectin, resulting in 6-methyl D-galacturonate and D-galacturonate respectively. Both of these enzymes can act as either endo or exoenzymes, cleaving pectin backbone either randomly or through reducing ends. Another group of hydrolytic enzymes is pectate lyase that act on glycosidic linkages of polygalacturonic acid, forming unsaturated products through trans-elimination reaction. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks a lot.